Hi guys, hi everyone. Your boy Traders GP in the house. Yeah, so I'm back, guys. Apologies for not being available for such a long time, and let me not waste time. So I'm gonna be doing market breakdown. So yeah, man. Please subscribe, like the channel. The more you like is the more the video will go to many people. You understand? Is the more the algorithm will see that the video is liked and then it will send it to many people, guys. You understand? So please like, please subscribe. And yeah, let's start with DXY. As you can see, guys, DXY, what's happening is we are bullish, right? We are bullish weekly. We are bullish. And as you know, guys, if if you've seen my videos, you'll know that I normally start from weekly time frame to understand the overall direction of the market, right? So the overall direction of the market, it says we are bullish, right? So you draw a supporting trend line and a resisting trend line, right? And then after that, you zoom in, and then you'll see more confirmation that the market broke this high, right? The market broke this high, so weekly time frame, we are in bullish momentum until we break this low, right? And if we continue to break this high, we are still in a we are still in buys, okay? But as you see here, what happened is we broke on a weekly time frame. There was a shift here. You understand? There was a shift here, right? There was a shift here, meaning that the market is what? The market is preparing to go down. And as you can see, we are under a what? We are under a correction. This is our impulse, right? This is our impulse, and then this is our correction. If you get what I'm saying, this is our correction. So we'll be looking for what? We'll be looking for a third touch here to go down. You understand? So with that being said, we see that this long candle here, it's in balancement. You understand? This long candle, it's in balancement. So this is this is our supply zone. This one, our weekly supply zone. This one. This is our weekly supply zone. That's where the market will turn. Uh, that's where the market will turn. You understand? So I think the market will come here and then drop like this. You understand? That's me predicting the market on a daily time frame, right? So it will give us a first touch, second touch, and then on a third touch, it will move on this 50% line. It will touch the line and then it will move. And with that being said, you can see that now the market here, it's on what? It's on it's on a support area here. Understand? The market is on a support area to move to the upside. Okay, let's go to daily and see. Even with daily, you can see that we are on what? We are on a bullish momentum. You understand? Only if we break this low, then we'll be looking for bearish for bearish momentum. Now we are still on an uptrend. You understand? So we'll be going up. And now using Falcon, you'll see that we had our first touch, second touch, and third touch here. You understand? So again, this this is our impulse, right? And then this is our correction. And then we'll be looking for what? we'll be looking for an impulse to the upside. You understand? And already you can see that these three candles, they are bullish. They are bullish. You understand? So we're looking for the market to come up there. We're looking for what? We're looking for buys on DXY, on dollar pairs. We're looking for buys. Unless if the market will otherwise come here, break below, then that's when we'll look for sales. You understand? If the market will fail to break here or to break somewhere up here. But as you can see also here, we had our shift. Already here, we had our shift, meaning that the market will come forward. The market will come for this 4-hour demand zone. The market will come for this 4-hour demand zone. The market will come here and then the market will move up. You understand? We just have to wait and see on smaller time frame if the market when the market will turn. You get it? When the market will turn. And even here, if you can see here, we have our hook point here. If you can see here, we have our hook point. So the market might go above, the market might go above this hook point to come back here and then to move up. You understand? But and with that being said, let's see this. We are on an uptrend. So we had the first touch, the second touch. We'll be looking for a third touch somewhere here for short-term buys, right? And then we draw even the resistant line here. And as you can see, the market will come above this, give us a third touch, and then come down. You understand? The market will come here and then go above and then come back here. Before we continue with higher time frame buys. You understand? So we'll be looking for what? We'll be looking for buys somewhere around these areas. We'll be looking for buys somewhere around these areas. You understand? And as you can see, going left again, you can see that this is support. You can see that this is support. So yeah, with that being said, let's move on to the next time frame. Let's move on to the next time frame. Remember, guys, I'm not giving you signals. I'm not giving you signals. I'm not giving you signals. It's just me documenting my trade and posting them online. I love documenting using videos. Okay, so even here, let's start on weekly time frame and see what we have here. On weekly time frame, if you can see here, we are bullish on weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, we are what? We are bullish, right? On weekly time frame, we are bullish, and then on weekly time frame, we broke this here. We broke this on weekly time frame. So until we break this low on weekly time frame, then we are looking for what? We are looking for buys. Until we broke below, we are looking for buys. If you understand what I'm saying, right? Sorry for this. I just need the right color, which is this one. Yeah. So until that happens, but currently, what we're looking at is we're looking at a touch here. We're looking at a touch here, and then to move up. You understand? For what? For a dead touch there before we reverse again, probably come to this trend line up or come to this low. We'll see. But if we break this line on a weekly time frame, if we broke this line, we come here. We come here. You understand? This is internal structure. This is the main high. This is internal. If you break this one, you come here to this low to move up. But that's okay. Let's go to smaller time frame. As you can see, currently we're moving down. Currently we're moving down. And then this is what? This is the internal structure, this one. This is the internal structure. Let's see. is the internal structure, right? This is the internal structure, and then let's clone this patch here. Let's clone this patch here. And as you can see, guys, let's try and do this. As you can see, we had a break below. We had a break below. But now, what's tricky is that here on daily time frame, we had a break of structure. So this can be our liquidity. You understand? This can be our hook point, this one. And then this can be the main low. This can be the main low. This one. You understand? Because remember the first high, this first high, it's this first one. The second one, it's just to create liquidity most of the time. So I'll put this here, and then we just have to see. We just have to see if it will break below. If it breaks below, it's probably coming here or coming here. You understand? So let's remove these ones here. Let's remove these ones here just for accuracy. You understand? And then I'll draw this here just to know where I am. As you can see, it created liquidity this side, and then it went up, it took liquidity, and it came back, it took this liquidity, and then the market might be moving up. But we'll know that for sure when the market breaks up here. We wait for the market to what? To break up here on 4-hour time frame. We wait for the market to break up here, and then we confirm. Oh, if it breaks up, see, if it break out of this trend line, like impulsively, if it comes here and then it gives a small candle like this again, it gives a small candle like this, then we know that we will reverse to this trend line. If you understand, we will reverse to this trend line, and then we will be creating something like this. We will be creating something like this. You see, we will be creating something like this to come down here, and then this is internal structure, this is external high, this is external high, if you understand what I'm saying. But we'll only know when we get here, you see. So if we break here, we retest, we come here. If we break out of here, then we know that we're moving up. But up before we break out of here, we look for short-term buys on smaller time frame. But when we come here, we wait for 15 minutes change of character. If probably the market is giving us if the market is giving us a reversal pattern. If you want to know about patterns, go to my previous videos. You'll see if it's giving us a reversal pattern to come down here. Understand? But for now, it took liquidity on higher time frame just to move up, and you see this for our candle. It's showing that it has momentum. It has momentum. So on 2-hour time frame, we know that we had a what? We had our boss here. So it makes it a stronger time. It makes it a stronger high. You understand? It makes it a stronger high. Even here, we haven't had a touch, but chances are we might not have a touch because of this zone is strong. This zone, this one, it's strong. You see. So let's wait and see. Takes short-term buys until here, and then maybe on Thursday the market might reverse. Maybe it will go up, and then on Thursday the market might reverse. We'll see, and the market will go down. You understand? So short-term buys up until this point, and then wait and see if the market will come down. If it breaks, it's coming for this. If it breaks, it's coming for this here, and then it will trickle down, and then come for a demand zone, and then move down, and then we'll be having we'll be having we'll be having our impulse correction and impulse, if you understand what I'm saying, guys, right? But now let's wait and see what happens. uh we have an impulse, maybe we'll have a correction, and then we move up. You understand? And then we'll take what? And then that's when we'll take our buys. You see, that will be the plan for now. You understand? That will be the plan for now. And then failure to do that, it has to push down on 15 minutes time frame, give me a correction, and then come down. You understand? And then after that, come down. And then that's when I'll do what? That's when I'll take my cells when it breaks below the trend line. You understand? So here we wait, probably by New York time. We'll see what happens. Here we wait and see. And then yeah, the last one. It's Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD. As you can see, guys, Euro USD. We had our impulse and then our correction, and then we might be going up for the thing. For we might another impulse might be coming. You understand? And then with this trend line here, you can see that we have our 1, 2, 3 structure, right? So let's not draw a trend line on top here because of it's still far. There's no need. You understand? And then as you can see here, even here we had what? We had our impulse, right? And then now we are in a bigger correction, and we will be looking for what? For impulse up until this highs here because of what? Because of that high broke this low. Because of that high broke this low. Sorry. Because of that high broke this low, right? So with that being said, guys, it means what we are looking for is what? What we are looking for is our pattern here. What we are looking for, we are looking for our pattern here. Yes, and you see we have a very beautiful pattern. But again, just like the XY, we have what? We have imbalance here. We have imbalance here, and we have our what? We have our weekly demand zone. We have our weekly demand zone. So the market might come to touch this and go up. You understand? Giving us what? Giving us an 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 internal downtrend like this to move up. You understand? But to confirm that, we have to do what? We have to do to go to. We have to go to what? We have to go to smaller time frames. And then on daily, you can see that we broke this structure, and then we'll be looking for buys after this high is broken. If we break this high, we come for this. If we break this high, we come for this. If we break this high, we come and then we come for this. Then we know that somewhere here will be looking for a demand zone to move up. You understand? But it looks like we are failing to break this high because of we respected what? We respected this daily. We respected this daily demand zone, the supply zone. You understand? So what I'm going to do now, I'll be focusing on this area. And as you can see now, what happened is we had our 1, 2, 3 touch, and then we have our 1, 2 here. So this might be an impulse to correct and then to move down. You understand? It might be an impulse to correct and to move down. Or the market might be creating this structure. The market might be creating this structure. You understand? So to have an open eye, I'm gonna leave this like this and so that I can be able to see this space and probably monitor the smaller time frame if we'll be having a correction and moving down, or maybe if we'll be going for a third touch here. You see? And then one thing I know is that internally we had a break of structure here, right? And I'll be monitoring this low, right? And this low might be a what? This low might be a hook point. This might be a hook point. So the market might come, give us a touch, and then go up there. You understand? Go up there to complete a structure like this. To complete a structure like this. If you get what I'm saying, to complete something like this. Okay. Even here, after cloning, because of that's why I love cloning. Even here after cloning, you can see that there was a hook point here. Even here, the market can move up there, you understand? And then come down here, and then come down here. So I'll leave this hook point here to remind me that the market might come down, and then I'll monitor this place. And then I'll monitor this place and see what happens, because we really need to monitor this place and see. And then on smaller time frame, if we broke above here, if we break above here on smaller time frame, if we break above here, we know that we'll be going up there, retest, and moving like this. Let's leave it on 1 hour. You understand? And moving like this. Or if you don't break above here, if you don't break above here, then we know that we are what? We are only coming for a dead touch here. We are coming for a dead touch here to move down to break this hook point and then move up. You understand? So I love clean chart. I know what I'm expecting. I'll only throw this here and clone it and do like this. And then this might be just to push the market up for a correction like this, so that the market can come down and then move up. But we'll see. We'll see. So again here, when the market opens, we wait, and then New York session will know that it's a correction, and then probably it will push down before it moves up. You understand? So even here the plan is to take buys. Even here the plan is to take buys somewhere on these areas, or to take buys after after this place. Because of this, it's our buy zone. Let's say it's our buy zone. So yeah, uh thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Traders GP in the house, your boy in the house. So yeah, man, continue supporting the channel. Like, subscribe, guys. Like, subscribe. If you don't subscribe, if you don't like, I stop making videos because of I'm not motivated. Please like and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much.